Welcome to 2 minutes revision for this valid identifiers in Python. In this video, we'll cover the rules for creating valid identifier names in Python. Question number 1. Which of the following is a valid identifier? A. Two type, B type C, same type, D true. Rule number 1. A identifier name must start with a letter, either uppercase or lowercase, or an underscore character. For example, type mark, student name, and Gore name are all valid identifiers. Rule number 2. Identifier name can contain any number of letters, digits, and underscores. No other characters are allowed. For example, A24, Class 12, and CBSE 2024 are all valid identifiers. Rule number 3. Identifier names are case-sensitive. This means that name and name are considered two different variables. Question 1. Which of the following is a valid identifier? A. Two type, B type, C, same type, or D, true. Explanation: A two type is not a valid identifier because it starts with a number. Identifiers in Python cannot begin with a digit. B. Underscore type is a valid identifier because it starts with an underscore, followed by letters. C. Same space type is not a valid identifier because it contains a space. Identifiers in Python cannot contain spaces. D. True is not a valid identifier because it is a reserved keyword in Python used to represent the Boolean value true. The correct answer is B. Underscore type. Now's your chance to participate. Question 2. Which of the following is a valid identifier in Python? A. First variable, B. Student name, C. Student name, or D. Class. Remember, identifiers cannot start with a digit, cannot contain spaces, and cannot be reserved keywords. Share your answer in the comments.